Happy day students, welcome to San Academy Pallikaranai, class 6 mathematics, chapter 5 fraction, part 2 of chapter 5. In this video we are going to learn addition and subtraction of fraction. We are going to learn addition of like fraction as well as unlike fraction. In the same way, we are going to learn subtraction of like fraction as well as unlike fraction. Like fraction means we will have the same denominators. Unlike fraction means the denominator won't be the same. Let us see one by one. Now we are going to see the rule of addition of like fraction. Sum of like fraction is equal to sum of their numerators by common denominators. So let us see this with an example. So we are going to find the sum of 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9. According to the rule, we have to sum their numerator. What is the numerator? 4. And in the second fraction, what is the numerator? 2. So 4 plus 2 by 9, which is 6 by 9. 6 by 9 is not in the simplest form. The HCF of 6 and 9 is 3. So we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 3. 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. 9 divided by 3 will give you 3. So the sum of 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9 is 2 by 3. Let us see one more example. Here we have taken 3 fractions, 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Since everywhere the denominator is an 8, we have a common denominator. It's a like fraction. What is the rule to add the like fraction? Just we have to sum their numerators. 3 plus 1 plus 5 by 8. So 3 plus 1 plus 5 is 9. 9 by 8. As 9 is greater than 8, it's an improper fraction. Whenever you are getting an improper fraction as answer, we have to convert it into the mixed fraction and we have to give the final answer. So 9 by 8, if you divide and if you continue with the procedure, the mixed fraction what we will get is 1 by 8. Now let us learn how to add the unlike fraction. The rule is very simple. Change the given fraction into equivalent like fraction and then add. So we have to first change the given fraction to like fraction and then we have to add. So already in our previous video we have learned how to convert a unlike fraction into like fraction, but we will have a quick recall of it, how to convert a unlike fraction into like fraction. So let us take unlike fraction like 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. The first step what we have to do is we have to find the LCM of its denominator. So what is the number we have in the denominator? 2 and 3. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we convert each of the given fraction into equivalent fraction with 6 as the denominator. So 1 by 2, when can you get 6 as the denominator? By multiplying 3. So 1 into 3, 2 into 3. So the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 what we are getting here is 3 by 6. So 2 by 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 so that we can get an equivalent fraction with 2 that. So 2 by 3 which is equal to 4 by 6. So now we have got an now we have converted the unlike fraction to like fraction. What is the rule we should follow? Convert each one of them into an equivalent fraction having a denominator equal to the LCM of all the denominators of the given fraction. So that's what we have done here. If you are having an unlike fraction and if you are supposed to convert into like fraction, take the LCM of its denominator and write it into equivalent fraction. So as we learned how to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction, proceed with the same. We are going to add the unlike fractions of 7 by 12 plus 11 by 16 plus 9 by 24. First step, we need to find the LCM of the denominators. So 12, 16, 24. The LCM of 12, 16, 24 is 48. So convert everything into like fraction. So 7 by 12, if you convert into like fraction, equivalent fraction, you will get 28 by 48. Similarly, 33 by 48 plus 18 by 48. If you sum of the numerator, you will get 79 by 48. Since it's an improper fraction, write it in the mixed fraction. So the answer is 131 by 48. Now let us see how to subtract the fraction. The rule is subtraction or difference of like fraction is equal to difference of their numerators by common denominator. So 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9. 4 minus 2 by 9. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 9. Now we are going to learn How to subtract the unlike fraction? As usual, change the given unlike fraction into like fraction and then subtract it. For changing the unlike fraction to like fraction, we have to find the LCM. So we are going to find the difference of 7 by 8 and 5 by 12. Since it's an unlike fraction, convert it into like fraction. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So 21 by 24 is the equivalent fraction of 7 by 8, and 5 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 12 is 10 by 24. So 21 minus 10 is 11 by 24. I hope you all understood how to add and subtract the like fraction and unlike fraction. Thank you so much.